Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com, it's official website, so you can download driver. Then you can see this is a search icon right hand side. So click on it and then enter the model number of motherboard Aorus Gorfos RTX 5090 Master 32G. Then click on the product. So this is your graphic card, just click on it. Then click on support. After that, select your operating system Windows 10 11. So both operating system installations process same. NVIDIA driver. So click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see, and you just click three dot to click and click on the download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see. Okay. Now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that, also completed driver, then restart your system.